Niall.
Oh.
Neither does to share food though.
Not even with Pete Griffin?
No.
Fine.
You're not having any of my food.
What about you?
I'm going Frank Sinatra.
Hey. Frankie.
Joe Walsh from the Eagles.
The Eagles.
And won't tell you what he said to us. And for a good jam, Bruno Mars.
Yeah. That's my son.
I'd go Elvis Presley. I'd go Freddie Mercury. Who? Kylie Mason.
Mr. Man.
Kylie Mason.
Rihanna.
Celine Dion.
Celine Dion. Yeah.
Celine Dion, yeah.
Good one.
Why is it so quiet today? Everyone's just like,
Can't get a laugh around there.
Yes.
Tough crowd.
Tough crowd around here.
You guys ready for your next question?
Yes,
I'm in the
please.
same spot. I've got Kara this time.
Oh, we're on the west side.
Hey guys, how are you?
Very well, thanks, Cara.
Y'all look beautiful today.
So do you.
Very nice.
What's your favorite track off the new Jay-Z album?
Boo.
Oh, is that the one from Liam? Is this the album that we've been
Now,
listening
are we going Tom Ford or Holy Grail?
Holy Grail all day long.
Holy Grail is probably the best track.
I'm gonna go with Tom Ford.
Tom Ford.
Sorry?
Tom Ford.
Pony up. What are you doing?
Hey! Hey!
Pony up!
Spring break!
Oh my god.
I wish I went to school in America.
Spring break!
Spring break forever. Actually, take another question.
All right, we're stage right now, all the way in the front stage right. I'm waving at you.
Over
Floor
here.
up in front of the barricade.
Hello.
What up?
Hi, I'm Sophie.
Hi, Sophie.
Hi, Sophie.
Hello, Sophie.
Nice to see y'all.
Nice to see
I'm
you.
very excited about tonight. So
To see you.
whenever I
Nice.
talk to guys, I always take in how they smell. So what cologne do y'all wear?
I met this one guy, he smelled pretty bad.
Do you passively try and smell them, or do you actively go?
Excuse
me
really
for a
more of
second.
habit. It's a habit.
Are you open about it, or do you go do it on the sly? Is
I
it like
talked
smelling
to
your
my friends
hair?
about it. I'll be like, he was really cute, but he didn't smell great.
Yeah, that's
You
what I was
tell
just
them
about to
that
say.
you're
I
doing.
tell them my favorite's Old Spice. So if they smell like Old Spice, I'm like,
Old Spice.
Old Spice.
I swear like 40-year-old men wear that.
Cal.
Do you like the Rolex?
Go and smell it. Go and smell, Cal. Go and smell that man.
Actually doing it.
It smells nice.
Yes, Cal!
You smell
She's
good.
lying. She's
Stinky!
Yeah, Cal, don't ever do this ever again. Come on, man. Come on, get in there.
I'll just pop those guns in there.
What do you wear?
So
I went Tom Ford.
Tom Ford.
Tom Ford. Yeah.
Can you bring my daughter for a walk?
Anyone else?
Armani Mania.
Ooh, look at me.
Look at Armani.
mine's some Chanel one, but I don't know what it's called.
He's amazing.
Hello.
I don't know.
Should we go to the question?
Thank you.
I left at home. I forgot I was coming to Dallas on this trip.
I'm straight in front of you. Sorry, I've got Destiny.
Where? Oh, there.
It's my 16th birthday today.
Happy birthday.
16.
Happy birthday.
Sweet 16.
Will you sing happy birthday for her?
That was a different person who just spoke.
Wait, wait.
It's my birthday. Will you sing happy birthday? No, I didn't mean you had a deep voice. I just meant this on the phone.
Jump. Shut up.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you, happy birthday. It's your birthday, happy birthday.
I'm still trying to run. I've got one more from Andy Grace.
Take my
Right
daughter
in
for
front.
a walk. Do a photo shoot with a pop
What kind of cereal do you eat?
Lucky Charms. What did she say?
Lucky Charms are the best cereal
What kind of
ever.
cereal do you like?
I like Rice Krispies.
Snap, crackle, Lucky Charms.
Cinnamon Toast Crunch.
Lucky Charms.
We were on the bus yesterday, and Zane goes to me, I had so many Lucky Charms yesterday, I felt sick.
I've had too many of them.
Too many of them.
Thank you. What cereal do you eat? Rice Krispies, see?
Rice Krispies.
It's all about Lucky Charms.
Lucky Charms are bad.
Whole grains are a good start.
Charms are great.
They're bad.
Got all new different colour rainbows in there. They've got these new moon things in there now as well, and they're good. Sorry, guys. I just like Lucky Charms, man.
Don't do no song.
One more tune. One more tune.
Let's sing another song, yeah. Let's go.
Let's do this song. Thank you for your questions. Promise I wasn't trying to offend you. This is Modernist.
Hey up.
Cause I can look you in the eyes and say